welcome back to my channel. Today I have a photo shoot for my new arrivals, and I wanted to basically show you all the pieces before I leave for the photo shoot. I have to leave like in 15-20 minutes. So I have some flare bell bottom leopard pants that will be coming back because the first batch people was DMing me about selling them. So I went ahead and put these on the site. So some of you all probably already purchased or seen them. So they will be coming back on the site. I had 2 packages come in today, so I haven't even opened those. This is a leopard bodysuit. Sheer long sleeves, something you can still wear in the spring, summer. Leopard bodysuit. This is a small. It's like a thong in the back. Right here. So that will be on the site. I don't have no hangers. So that's that. I have this neon green dress with like a underbust little detail right here. Rib material. This is a size, what size is this? This is a size large, but it's stretched very good. I already tried that one on. I have this neon green slash bodysuit. Something like, well, I have a dress like this, but I will not be shooting that one today. So, bodysuit with like a slash, sleeves. This is size small, so yeah, this is kind of big. I know it will be big on me or long. But this is coming to the site. And you could really pair that bodysuit with the leopard pants. I will also wear, I would put together the leopard bodysuit with the leopard pants as well. So, okay, this is a leopard. As you can tell, the stuff I'm shooting today, the items I'm shooting today is basically neon green and leopard. So that's the look I'm going for this shoot. This is a leopard dress bodycon. This just came in today. It look good. It stopped like right above your knees. So in the back, it have like a crisscross little detail. It's spaghetti strap in the front and then it crisscross in the back. You'll be able to see it once we get at the shoot. And I think I'm gonna have Keone put on this dress because she will be my model again. We got good results from the last shoot, so she'll be my model. I didn't turn my hairstylist into a model, so yeah, that's that. I have to get hangers for these. So those are the pieces that's coming next week. I don't know which day. I don't know which day I will be putting those new arrivals up, but they'll be up by next week. So subscribe to our VIP list at www.shopmodnation.com so you can be the first to know the launch date. And I think I want to do like the first 5 or 10 customers that purchase will get something free with their package. Small update. Of course, me and Keone is late as fuck. So we're on the way to Janice's house, the photographer. So yeah, we're on the way, but we're just running late a little bit, of course, because we can't never get nowhere on time. Then we got to sit in traffic. So yeah. Hello, YouTube. Hold on. I'm struggling. Hold on. Run that back turbo. Beat it up. 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 Yeah, they just. No, no, no.
Domino's $7.99 week-long carry-out deal? Well, first you get a large pizza. Choose your favorite 3 toppings. Oh yeah, for just $7.99. Whoa, and there's more. You can also get a medium 3-topping handmade pan pizza for the same price.
Those are the flare pants with the neon green bodysuit. But we're gonna make this shit work. Like, okay. How you are? Everybody. Come over a little bit. Move over a little bit. Move over a little bit. Yeah. Okay. You got it bending. I gotta put that shit in the bag. Yeah. But slightly. You think your shoe fit. You can't be hopping out of it. You gotta say, you gotta break it down. You gotta do all fit. Okay. When y'all get ready, just stay that way for like 5 and up. One, stay just like that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. But like, try to look back at us though. Like, okay, we're done with the shoot. We tried to do the YouTube thing. It wasn't working out. But I'm finna go through the pics. Might as well do that now. Okay, we're done with the shoot. We tried to do the YouTube thing. It wasn't working out. But I'm finna go through the pics. Might as well do that now.